Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to integrate a time picker input form field inside your React.js application. This is actually the time input field will display right here. You will be able to edit the time here if you are taking time input from your user inside your application. Very simply, this time input field will display here. You can adjust the time here, and the module that we are talking about is React Simple Time field. This is actually the module here. It's a third-party module, and the command is simple. You install this. It's almost having 14,000 weekly downloads, and it can actually take inputs in different forms. This is the default input. If you also want to show seconds, you can include them. It also comes with React Material UI as well, and they have given a nice little demo on their website. If you go to their website with full source code as well, so this is the default thing. You can adjust the time here, and then it also comes with second as well if you also want to show second, and if you want to show custom colors you can even pass this as well. And now to actually integrate this is very easy. You actually declare the functional component here, React functional component. After that, we simply import the module at the very top by using the import statement. So import time field from React simple time field. So this is the import statement by which we actually import the module. And after that, we declare a state variable. So this will be time set time. So this variable will be useful while using useState hook. Initial value will be, you can set any time, and then wherever you need to embed this, you simply include this component here that we included time field, and just close it, and it actually takes a parameter, the property, the current value of the time that you want to attach. And after that, it also comes with a on change event handler. So as soon as you change the time here, this on change event handler will execute, and here you can attach a custom function on time change, anything you can call, and we can define this function on time change. So here e parameter will be passed and the new time, these two parameters will be passed. So here we can update the time by using this hook function, which is set time is equal to new time. So in this easy way, you first of all import this module by the import statement. Then wherever you need to embed this, you embed this. It takes two properties, the current value and the on change event handler. So here we attach this custom function. So right here, new time is there. We are setting this by the hook function. So if you refresh your application, you will actually see this input field appearing, and here we can change the time here, and the time will be updated. So this is the simple way by which you can integrate this, and you can, if you also want to include second, you can even include second as well. So you can refer to their documentation. It actually have all the options supported with this module. You can control the hour, hand, minutes, local settings, minute, second, everything you can control right here. Size of the clock as well. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.